everyone, this is Yin from Craftiviti and I want to share with you a very new soap base that we have. It just came in fresh from UK. It's the Stephenson Melt and Pour Crystal Soap Base No Sweat. Now the No Sweat soap base is specifically made for a humid weather like us in Malaysia. You have glycerin soap that's very rich in glycerin, and that's going to attract a lot of moisture from the air onto your soap base and onto your soap bars. And I'm going to show you a sample of that. If you can see very closely, this is what it looks like. A sweaty soap has the beaded surface that looks like beads of sweat. These are glycerin, and it's actually okay to use this soap, although it looks a bit different and it looks, well, not so nice. But if you're doing it for your family, it's okay. If you want to sell the soap or you want to give it away as gifts, you need to have it not sweat. And this is another version of sweating soap. You see the beads on the soap base, if you can see clearly. Now this happens to a lot of melt and pour soap bases because it's got natural glycerin in it, and you don't want this, especially if you're trying to sell your soaps and you want to make it look attractive. Now the no sweat soap base is designed for that purpose. It will leave your soap looking really nice and crystal-like, if you can see the difference. So when the soap is wet, it looks beautiful like this, but when you leave it on the countertop, it doesn't sweat in any way at all. So this is another example of that. So now that I'm wetting it, the patterns inside really comes out and really comes through, and it has a crystal look on it, so that if you embed any glitter or any designs into your soap or any flowers, it really comes out and really pops out. So you really want this beautiful surface with the no sweat soap. So I hope you learned something today, and if you want to try it out, it's on our website. You can look it up and read more about it. Thank you everyone for watching.